Hey friends, how's it going today? Today we're diving into a side hustle that anyone, anywhere in the world can start. I'm talking about a hustle that requires no experience, no degree, and you can do it from the comfort of your bed. That's right, there's absolutely no excuse not to give this a try. I've been receiving numerous comments from people looking for opportunities that are global, don't require formal qualifications, and allow them to work from home. So, if you're someone who prefers staying in bed and wants to earn some extra cash before you hit the hay, this is the perfect side hustle for you. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know, not just give you a rundown, but actually show you step by step how to start and succeed in this hustle. So, make sure you stick around until the end of this video for all the details. Let's get started. Today, I'm excited to share with you a side hustle that you can turn into a profitable business in your spare time. Imagine making anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000 a month, or even more if you go full-time, without ever leaving your bed. This is a global opportunity, available to anyone no matter where you are, as long as you can receive payments. So whether you're in Nigeria, India, or anywhere else, this side hustle is for you. So, what is this magical side hustle? It's transcription. You've probably heard about it before, but it's worth revisiting because so many people are missing out on this opportunity. Transcribing is the process of converting audio or video content into written text. For example, when a video is uploaded, it often needs subtitles or captions for accessibility. Many people prefer or require text in addition to or instead of audio. Transcriptions are essential for accessibility, SEO, and user engagement, so businesses and content creators are always in need of transcription services. And guess what? You don't need any specialized training to start transcribing. I've touched on this topic before, but today I want to reiterate just how easy it is to get started. You can literally make money transcribing from the comfort of your bed. So how do you get started? First, you need to find clients. One of the best websites for this is Rev.com. They pay between 30 cents to $1.10 per minute of audio, and they hire globally. Rev offers flexible scheduling, and you can choose from hundreds of jobs. Plus, they pay you weekly. It's a great way to get started and earn money on your own terms. If Rev isn't a fit for you, or if you're looking for additional options, you can search for transcription jobs online. For example, typing transcription jobs into Google reveals opportunities paying $20 to $30 for Zoom video transcriptions. Websites like Scribie also offer remote transcription jobs. Another excellent platform to explore is Fiverr. There you can find numerous freelancers offering transcription services. Many of them have multiple reviews and competitive rates. For example, one transcriptionist starts at $5 per job and has over 600 reviews. You can check out their profiles to get an idea of how to set your rates and attract clients. You can also use Upwork, a popular freelancing platform. On Upwork, you'll find transcriptionists charging anywhere from $15 to $25 per hour. Some professionals even charge as much as $32 per hour. The earnings can be substantial, with some transcriptionists making over $100,000. Now let's talk about tools. There are several software options for transcribing, but many of them come with a cost. However, you can use free tools like Google Docs' voice typing feature for basic transcription tasks. To ensure accuracy, you'll need to manually review and correct the automated transcriptions. YouTube's automatic captions can be a great starting point. Upload your audio or video file to YouTube, then go to the subtitles section. YouTube will generate automatic captions, which you can edit for accuracy. Here's a quick rundown of the process. Upload the video or audio. Go to YouTube, click the Create button, and upload the file. Leave it unlisted or in draft form so only you can access it. Check subtitles. Go to the subtitles section and review the automatic captions. Edit any errors you find. Adjust timings. If needed, adjust the timings to ensure the text appears at the correct moments. Download subtitles. Once you're satisfied with the accuracy, download the subtitles file. This is the file you'll deliver to your client. You can do all of this in your free time, from anywhere, whether you're relaxing in your bedroom or traveling. It's a flexible, remote opportunity that can be a significant source of income. So if this sounds like something you'd be interested in, and you want to avoid customer service or dealing with people directly, transcription might be your perfect side hustle. Don't overlook this opportunity. There's a lot of money to be made, and it's something you can start right away with minimal investment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Join now. Watch and earn up to 5 million tokens every day on Telegram at +co_in.